Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Haldia location. It is from West Bengal. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there are various job openings are available from the India's leading IT company. And if you see the job roles, like here SAP stands for Systems, Applications and Products in Data Processing. And if you see the job roles like SAP Flexible Real Estate Management position and SAP Human Capital Management, SAP Supplier Relationship Management, SAP Customer Relationship Management, and finally SAP Advanced Business Application Programming. Interested candidates, if you are fit for any of the job roles mentioned here, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the sales executive or traffic supply executive position. It is from Kenco Logistics Private Limited. For this position, you must have 1 to 3 years of experience in this field. Interested candidates, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID, that is admin@kencologistics.in. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available for the business development team. Like if you see the qualifications and experience required for this position, like you must be experienced in onboarding new clients as well as managing the existing clients, and you must have excellent communicational skills, quick decision making capability, strong analytical skills is must, and collaborating internally for timely solution to client problems and becoming a trusted advisor to the client and increasing the existing business. All of this would be important to your role. Interested candidates, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the maintenance head position. It is from Kushal Engineering Enterprises. And for this position, you must have qualifications like degree or diploma in engineering, like mechanical, electrical, like that. And you must have experience for 15 to 25 years. And you must have experience in these fields like oil, gas and chemicals, preferably terminal operations. Interested candidates, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Coming to the next one, there are various job openings are available like operations in charge. There are 4 vacancies are available and you must have minimum 15 years of experience in liquid terminal division, and for the position of maintenance head there are 5 vacancies are available and you must have minimum 15 years of experience in this field. And if you see the experience, like you must have relevant field of experience in oil, gas and chemical. Interested candidates, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. That's it in this video guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.